5 GDPR concerns with the COVID-19 Return to Work Safely Protocol. Most businesses would never have had to record the medical data of their employees. Now, as a result of the COVID-19 Return to Work Safely protocols, they now have to start doing this. It's very important to understand that medical data of your employees is considered special category data under the GDPR. 2. Recording the information. This is where it gets tricky. You should be very reluctant about using email to record this information because email often goes astray and you do not want this type of information ending up in the wrong inbox. Best case scenario, you have an online HR platform and you upload the form to the employee's specific area within that HR platform. It's really important to focus on getting this part of it right. 3. Remember, less is more. The government has given clear instructions on what questions to ask with regards to the COVID-19 Return to Work Safely protocol. Don't get creative. Limit your questions to what is required. Remember, proportionality is a key part of data privacy laws, so it's very important that you don't ask unnecessary questions. 4. Be careful about using consent. When you are documenting the legal basis you are using to record this information, be really careful about using consent. The GDPR offers a number of alternatives for which you can confirm your legal basis from recording this information from your employees. Consent is not one of them. 5. Have a plan to delete the data. It is important that this data does not outlive the crisis. Once the crisis has passed and you don't need to record this information or you don't need to hold this information anymore, it's really important to have a plan of how you're going to delete it. It's also a good idea to communicate to the employees that this data has been already deleted or there is a plan in place to delete it. Offices looking to reopen are going to have to follow the COVID-19 Return to Work Safely protocols, and to be honest, they're fairly onerous. It is also important to remember that just because you have to follow these protocols, it doesn't mean that you need to ignore what obligations you have to follow under the GDPR. Data privacy rules and regulations still apply even in a COVID-19 world. If you want to discuss any challenges you're having in this space, give us a shout. We're more than happy to help. And thanks for watching.